Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $50 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $50, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Lenovo V168 Drone. Lenovo V168 Drone 8K 5G UF Professional HD Aerial Photography Dual Camera Omnidirectional Obstacle Avoidance Drone. Original new. Capture stunning visuals with the 8K 5G camera, offering high-resolution imagery and videos. Omnidirectional obstacle avoidance. Experience safer flights with the drone's advanced omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. Choose between 6K and 8K HD options with the drone's dual camera setup for diverse aerial photography. Enjoy up to 25 minutes of flight time. Perfect for extended aerial adventures. Navigate with precision using the drone's GPS positioning for accurate flights. Number 2. Xiaomi Mijia S2S Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 8K high-definition Wi-Fi, and the optical flow high-definition lens at the bottom can switch the camera angle. The servo gimbal design increases stability, and its electronic image stabilization is added to make the picture lines clearer. The altitude fixing function has the altitude fixing mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function is stable in flight. Ultra-long battery life. 3.7 volts 2200 mAh lithium-ion battery. Battery life is about 45 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, one key return, headless mode, up and down, forward and backward, left and right side flight, gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, super long battery life, obstacle avoidance. Gimbal components. Stop without collision when encountering obstacles. Number 3. L900 Pro Max GPS Drone. With foldable arm, small size, easy to carry. Escape 4K HD wide-angle camera. Can be adjust the angle 90 degrees by controller. With 5G Wi-Fi function can be connected app. Take pictures, video, real-time transmission through the phone camera image. GPS-assisted flight. Provides you with accurate positioning details of your drone. The drone will automatically return to home precisely when its battery is low or the signal is weak when flying out of range. Never worrying about losing the drone. Minus 28 minutes max flight time. The high-capacity 7.4 volts 2200 mAh intelligent battery yields up to 28 minutes flight time. Brushless motor. It is so quiet but very powerful when running. Breakdown rarely occurs and motor replacement is seldom required, which makes your flight more enjoyable. Follow me mode. The drone will automatically follows and captures you wherever you move, keeping you in the frame at all times. Easier to get complex shots. Provides hands-free flying and selfie. Number 4. Mijia S2S Mini Drone. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Ultra-long endurance. 3.7 volts 2000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which can last about 25 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, one button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology, 6-axis gyroscope, more stable flight, more convenient control. Number 5. Xiaomi Z908 Drone. Xiaomi Z908 drone brushless motor 4K dual lens professional UF Wi-Fi FPV 360 degrees active obstacle avoidance folding aircraft 2024. Z908 drone is an ideal choice for beginners to start their first drone flying adventure. One key start can help users to start flying easily. The upgraded hover system ensures a stable flight at a certain height, making it easier for beginners to control the drone and capture high-quality footage. Cool, light design adds more fun to the flying experience. Except to control the RC drone by the controller. Users can also control it to implement some funny and cool functions directly by your hands, which provides more ways for users to play it and brings users more fun. Enjoy extended flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries, offering up to 30 minutes of fun. Features with overcurrent protection, emergency stop, 4 propeller quads, and low power alarm to ensure a safe and reliable flight.